is Arcel Ensely, matrix number BR24110081. In this video, I'll be talking about the centrifugal pump and its component. First up is the electrical motor. The electrical motor converts electrical energy into mechanical power. It does so using two components, the stator and the rotor. The stator holds the field magnet, which generates the magnetic field necessary to turn around the rotor. When the current flowing through the rotor interacts with the magnetic field produced by the stator, it will turn around, generating mechanical power. The electrical motor produces large amount of heat during its operation. In order to mitigate this, the casing of the electrical motor is designed with ridges. This helps dissipate excess heat. In order to further enhance this cooling effect, the electrical motor is also fitted with the cooling fan, which controls the airflow, thereby removing excess heat. These two factors combined enhances the electrical motor's efficiency, as well as increasing its life expectancy. Next, the mechanical power generated by the rotor is then transferred into the impeller. This is done by utilizing two components, the shaft and the bearing. The shaft is attached to both the rotor and the impeller. Thus, when the rotor turns and produces mechanical power, the shaft transfers that power directly into the attached impeller. The movement of the shaft is also assisted by two bearings located at the rotor end and the impeller end. The bearing reduces friction, thereby increasing the lifespan of the machine. The impeller converts mechanical power into kinetic energy in the fluid. It does so by imparting the mechanical power as centrifugal force, thus causing the liquid to have high kinetic energy. The volume casing then contains both the impeller and water. Aside from containing those components, it also controls the flow of water in and out of the centrifugal pump via the suction and the discharge point. As water is being discharged by the impeller, the volume casing contains it and controls its flow. The water then flows